Hi friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have some background about education or student related, so I will show you. This file is JPG, is full high definition. First collection is of collection of mathematics education students, schoolboy science formula, and here is happy smiling children in school, library with books, student of college in library. So I show you some formula here of science, and this is student. I show you the file resolution. You see here full high definition. You see there apple. Okay, and this folder is happy smiling children. You see here is the file quality. Here see you write your any text here. You can adjust your image or your banner here. Select magic tool, select this area and adjust your poster here. Okay, all files are full high definitions. So I next open folder. Here is university student. You see the file resolution. See here